Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can clear app cache on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll your screen until you find the app setting. This one, you can tap on the app setting, and after that you can select an application that you would like to clear the cache. And for example, I'm going to clear app cache for the gallery application. So we can tap on the application, then we can tap on the storage option, this one, and you can tap on the clear cache to clear the app cache. Okay, and you have to wait for a moment until the cache has been cleared. It maybe take a little longer, it depends on the app cache size. Alright guys, and now the cache has been cleared, and if you want to clear another app cache, you just need to do the same step. So we can go back to the previous menu, then select the application you would like to clear the cache, and I'm gonna go with Google Play Store. Tap on the application, then you can tap on the storage, then you can simply tap on the clear cache. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear app cache on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.